Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. For example, if you try to log in into your Snapchat account and after that you see that an error that your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here. So in settings, you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here. It's in app store, you have to simply search for Snapchat app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after that, you have to simply wait for some time so that you can simply log in your account back. But if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open a browser, and here you have to simply open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat support. And here you have to make sure that you open the first link you are provided with Snapchat support. So here you have to simply click on that, and you have to open a link which can provide you a form which you have to fill, and you have to tell the Snapchat that what is the problem with your account. So here you have to simply mention your username, your email address, mobile number, and you have to mention what is problem with your account, why your account is disabled. And if you have not violated any community guidelines, then you have to simply tell them details. And after that, you can simply click on submit, and your account report will be submitted to the Snapchat support team. And after that, after a few days, they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.